Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to boot from USB in Microsoft Surface Go, Microsoft Surface Pro, Microsoft Surface Laptop. This video will be very quick, so hope you watch to the end of the videos. Okay, first of all, you need to prepare an OTG adapter like this. You need to connect your USB like this, and you connect the USB Type-C to your Surface Go Type-C port. Now you need to remember this action. We have a power button over here and we have a volume up button. You need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. You need to do like me. Now I will press and hold the power button. When you see the Windows logo, you release the power button over here. Okay, now you finally enter the Surface UEFI setting. You will go to the boot configuration. Now you can see the boot device order. The Windows boot manager is number 1. If you want to boot by your USB over here, you need to put your USB option in the top. I will change this USB storage to the first order. Okay, after that, you can choose exit and restart now. After you restart, it should boot from your USB. I will restart right now. You can see my device not boot to Windows, it's boot to my USB over here. Okay, that's all my videos. I hope my videos helpful. Please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything related to Surface. I will see you in my next videos.